Okay guys, so we are doing a late night video before the first is over, maybe in theme of Halloween. And so this is what my hair is looking like. I just gave myself a haircut yesterday on the sides. I might be growing it out on the top again. And I am doing it under the bright lights in the kitchen here today. So it looks extra thin because of the lighting, but let me know what you think. I just wanted to get this video in quickly. It's a date night with the wife, and so I got a few minutes before she comes down and she's getting ready. And we got a murder mystery game we're playing tonight, so that should be pretty fun. Don't worry, no one's actually gonna die in it. Not in real life. Just a game we're playing. And that's it. Let me know what you guys think. Our baby's staying at the grandparents today, and it should be pretty fun. Alrighty, see you next month, and happy Halloween if I don't get to wish it to you before then.